Understanding a brisk reply in everyday conversations. Hello, dear learners. Today we are going to dive into a fascinating English phrase, a brisk reply. Understanding this phrase will not only enrich your vocabulary but also sharpen your communication skills. So, let's explore what it means, how it's used, and the nuances that come with it. The phrase, a brisk reply, refers to a response that is given quickly and with a sense of efficiency. It's not just about speed. It's about being direct and to the point without unnecessary delay. However, it's important to note that a brisk reply can sometimes feel short or abrupt, depending on the context and tone of the conversation. Tone and context. Tone. A brisk reply might come across as efficient or it might seem rude. It greatly depends on the tone of voice and the situation. For example, in a professional setting, a brisk reply is often appreciated because it shows decisiveness and respect for everyone's time. Context. In casual conversations, however, you might want to be careful. If someone is sharing something personal and receives a brisk reply, it might feel dismissive. Body language. Nonverbal cues. When delivering a brisk reply in person, your body language and facial expressions play a crucial role. A friendly smile or a nod can soften the briskness and convey warmth. Let's understand this through examples in different contexts. 1. In a business meeting. 2. Q. Can you provide the latest project update? 3. A brisk reply. Yes, the project is on track and will meet the deadline. 4. In everyday conversation. 5. Q. Are you free to catch up this weekend? 6. A brisk reply. Not this weekend, maybe next. 7. In customer service. 8. Q. Can I return this item? 9. A brisk reply. Yes, you can return it within 30 days of purchase. In each scenario, the reply is quick, to the point, and doesn't waver with unnecessary details. And that's a wrap on understanding a brisk reply. Remember, it's all about being quick and efficient without being dismissive. The right tone, context, and body language can make your brisk reply seem professional and respectful. We hope this video helps you communicate more effectively in English. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.